today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by to check out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make Reuben Pizza. Now, St. Patrick's Day was last week, so we picked up a couple extra corned beefs because my family and I love corned beef. We did it the traditional way with the potatoes, carrots, cabbage, you know all that. But I did an extra one as well, so I got up some cubed corned beef. I got some pizza dough here, some sauerkraut, Swiss cheese. Monica whipped together a homemade Thousand Island sauce here. We're going to put this on the pizza crust. Man, it's going to be absolutely delicious. So stick around, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, so I have a couple pizza doughs here. Now I bought these pre-packaged. I guess depending on where you live. They come in a little thing here. You buy it in a bag. You roll it out. It's already made. I will definitely make, and I have made in the past, my own pizza dough. But you know what? For convenience sake, buying it already pre-made at the store definitely comes in handy. So it's been sitting out, kind of coming to room temperature for around 45 minutes or so. Okay, I'm just going to kind of squish it out here. We're going to roll this out into a pizza dough. I'm going to be making two pizzas, but we'll start with one just to show you guys. Just try to keep it uniform. Okay. I got a little bit of flour on the board as well. And then you kind of like do a little toss while simultaneously kind of trying to stretch it with your fingers, like so. My first job after college was working at Domino's Pizza, so I kind of have a little bit of knowledge on this. And then use your fist, kind of just go around the edge. Try to keep it uniform, but just stretch it out. We want to make it the size of a pizza. See, we're not quite there yet. So keep going, take your time. Stretch it out. I'm going to grab a pizza screen. We'll put this dough on the pizza screen in a second and assemble our Reuben pizzas. Yeah, we'll do a little bit more. Alright, be back in a second, guys. Alright, so I have the dough stretched out on a pizza screen. Just makes it much more easier. I got some drained sauerkraut, cubed up corned beef, and I got some baby Swiss cheese and some mozzarella. Okay? And the homemade Thousand Island dressing. This is a homemade recipe. Monica made this earlier. I'll leave the measurements down below if you guys want to check it out. It tastes way much better than the bottled stuff, in my opinion. Alright, so we're going to put some in here. I'm not going to go super crazy. Let's see, I got a big spoon here. We're using this instead of tomato sauce because it is, after all, a Reuben pizza. Definitely need a little bit more. There we go. I think we're good. Yeah, there we go. Alright, guys. There we are with a Thousand Island dressing. I'm going to put a little base of some mozzarella cheese. Because, right, pizza has mozzarella cheese. Next, I'm going to put some corned beef here. And I cubed this up. If you don't have fresh corned beef, I've seen some people do it where they just buy the deli stuff sliced at the butcher. Kind of cube that up. Just like so. Alright. Some sauerkraut. And I drained this. You definitely want to get the liquid out. You don't want it to get too wet on the pizza. Then I have this Swiss cheese here. We're going to put that on top. I'm just going to put it in the whole slices, kind of let it melt. Now let's do 4. All right. Put a little bit more cheese on top. I'm going to put a little bit more corned beef on top. A little bit more sauerkraut. We're going to make this Reuben style for sure. A little bit more mozzarella. All right, guys. There you go. We'll put it in the oven. We'll be back in a minute when this is ready. Woo! All right, you know what time it is. Drink review. So this is a first for me. This has been a big deal. They've been talking about it for weeks. This beer, Yuling, I guess it's the oldest brewery in the United States. It's in Pennsylvania, I believe. And it finally came all the way across the country. Yeah, since 1829, the oldest brewery. Finally made its way to Wisconsin. And people were all freaking out like, oh, Yuling, oh, it's the best beer ever. So here it is. I got some. I'll give it a sample. This is my son Kyle.
Hello.
And Kyle with his different sodas here. Chico Stick. This is peanut butter. What is it? Peanut butter. It's like a Mexican treat, right? Chico Stick?
It's a candy, an American candy.
It's an American candy?
Yeah.
Alright, and what is it? It's peanut butter and what?
And coconut.
And coconut?
I don't know much about this, but when me and my mom went to pick this up at the mall, we saw they had some, and the guy behind the counter threw us a couple for free, so we got to try it then, and I gotta say the candy itself was pretty good.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go.
It was kind of like a, I don't know how you describe it, it's kind of like an Abba Zaba kind of, or yeah, something of the like.
Okay.
But it was crunchy. It had that flavor.
Ooh, nice little head. One thing I can say right now, it's darker than most generic Wisconsin beers, which are more golden. This is more like amber. So they call it amber beer, original amber beer. Let me see, since 1829, celebrating 250 years, 4.5% alcohol. So a little bit stronger than your normal 4.3, whatever. Cheers. Darker, nice head, nice carbonation. Cheers, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I can't complain. It's got a little bit more flavor than your traditional kind of watered down, low alcohol Wisconsin beer. I don't mind it at all. I'd still rather drink something local. But if I'm in a bar and someone's drinking this, yeah, no problem. If you have an opportunity to try it, give it a shot, guys. I think you'll like it. All right, how's your, what is it?
This might be up there for, as far as the weird gimmicky novelty sodas and stuff, like Rocket Fizz and Uncle Lester's and all that stuff. This might be one of the better ones. I think that it doesn't taste much like the candy, but I think it's the first soda I've had that tastes like coconut.
Oh,
it has a very strong coconut taste. It kind of reminds me of like those Girl Scout, the Samoas or the caramel bites.
Oh, yeah,
without that like chocolate flavor. That's kind of like what it tastes like. I think it's really good.
Well, there you go. I'm sure this isn't something you'll come across normally. Definitely a specialty soda. Who's it made by?
Atkinson's.
Okay. Well, there you go,
I
guys.
heard of them, but it's good.
Yeah, cheers. Both had good beer. Meet you guys upstairs for a little bit. Have some Reuben Pizza. See you then. All right. Here we are. Reuben Pizza. Woohoo! Let me see here. Slide that off. I got another one I'm going to put in the oven. Alright guys, there's a pizza. I could get real fancy and put it in a plastic bag, but I'm just going to drizzle some of this delicious Thousand Island dressing on top. Because it's so good. And it's homemade, and I'll leave all the measurements down in the video description, but just like that. Alright, I'll get Kyle and Mom up here. We'll slice into this, give this a sample. Alright, let me cut into this crust here. Ooh, it smells good. Gonna do traditional, not the tavern style today. Alright, be back in a second. Welcome back. I'm here with my family, my wife Monica, my son Kyle.
Hello.
Hey.
Alright, the crust came out pretty good, I think. But let's give it a shot here.
Looks good. It smells good.
Reuben Pizza.
Cheers. That's actually good.
What do you think? My brain's trying to process it.
Yeah, me too. But it seems to work.
I got a little bit of the sourness from the sauerkraut, saltiness from the corned beef, but then kind of the richness from the cheese and the Thousand Island.
It works.
It actually does work. Wow.
Okay, I do like this. Oh wow. This
Yeah.
might actually be one of my new favorites.
Why isn't this a thing?
Well, it is actually. I think that there are people that do, and there's. Well, we had our local place, the place we go to nearby, you know, the Martino's.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're just trying to do it for Thanksgiving Patrick's
But
Day.
I think a lot of places do it, and your dad mentioned Chicago started it, right? There was a place there that did it. So yeah, I mean, I think it's a thing. I think people have different ways of doing it, but yeah, this is good.
It is good. What do you think, Al?
Good.
That pre-made crust?
Pre-made?
No,
No, well,
I bought it from Festival.
yeah, but you didn't buy it like already made, ready to go in the oven, so you actually.
Well, I had to roll it
So
out.
it's a dough.
Yeah, pre-made dough, I'm sorry.
Dough. Yeah, I was like, you did it. You gotta get some credit here. That
Yeah,
was good.
but I'll definitely make my own someday, but this was easy. And man, this is delicious. If you have leftover corned beef, guys, looking for something to do with
Yeah.
it, this is an easy recipe. If you don't have any rye bread, but you got some pizza crust, this is what
Well, this
to
is
do.
good. And we thought we were sick of corned beef after a couple nights of corned beef and cabbage. Nope. I think this is good.
I don't think I'll ever get sick of corned beef. As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching the video. If you like it, hit the like button. Logo on my shirt is the logo on the bottom of the screen. Click on that. It allows you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that. It really helps me and my channel grow. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. That's where I have all my video recipes, photos, ingredient list, a whole bit. And thanks for stopping by. Definitely give this Reuben Pizza a try.
Oh, did you post the Thousand Island recipe?
No, I will.
Alright.
You want to make the homemade Thousand Island, which I think does make a difference.
Or just buy a bottle if you have to in a
Well,
pinch, right?
No, I'll leave the directions down in the video description, guys. This is good.
Oh, we're gonna mow this.
We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye. I can't even talk. This is so good. This is good. What do you think? Help yourself. Do you want the Thousand Island to dip the crust in?
I guess.
There's some right there. I can just put, yeah, you can do that.
Wow, it's good, huh?
I can put it in a little dip container.
That'd probably be easier, but
I will.
Well, that is good, huh? Better than I expected.
Yep.
Actually, I wouldn't mind ordering that. If they had that as a regular pizza, or like toppers or something. Like, oh, Reuben Sandwich pizza.
next time you have put more cheese on it, maybe put some red onions like Mom said. It just tastes like sauerkraut.
Well, and I mentioned spreading cheese out a little bit more.
It needs more cheese and it needs something else. I mean, it just
Well,
tastes
like, look, right here.
sauerkraut.
This is good, but there's no cheese, and it's like 2 inches of crust here. So that's what I was saying, is Dad, don't put whole slices of Swiss, cut them up and spread it out. Kind of a little bit of an easy way of doing it, that's all. Spread the sliced cheese.
I'll go with that thing.
But I'm not saying the flavor's not good, I'm just saying,
I'm gonna stop the
could have
recording.
been a little bit more
Well, I guess I should, huh?
efficient.
No,
Well, he'll edit that out.
but I mean, storage.
There you go.
Back